Have you ever wondered how to get a U.S. work visa? Well, it's not as complicated as it may seem at first glance. Today, we're going to break this process down into simple, understandable steps. First things first, one must understand the crucial role of a sponsor when applying for a U.S. work visa. Whether you're from India, Europe, or any other part of the world, and you're aiming to work in the States, you need to know this. U.S. work visas like H-1B, L-1, and O-1 all necessitate a job offer from a U.S. employer. This employer then must file a petition with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, on the applicant's behalf. This step is vital and must be completed before an individual can proceed to apply for a work visa. Now, there's a common misconception that one can obtain a U.S. work visa without a sponsor. While it's true that in most cases a sponsor is required, there are unique visas and situations that allow for alternative arrangements. Let's delve into those. Firstly, there are E-2 investor visas. These cater to individuals from treaty countries who are investing significantly in a U.S. business. This is a unique opportunity for those who have the means to invest and want to work in the U.S. Secondly, there's the possibility of self-petitioning. This is an option for those with extraordinary abilities or who are distinguished in their fields. This means that they can apply without a traditional employer sponsor. Lastly, there are J-1 exchange visitor visas. These visas facilitate participation in work and study exchange programs requiring a sponsoring organization rather than an employer. So, as you can see, the path to working in the U.S. typically involves securing a sponsor. However, there are other visa options and situations that don't require traditional sponsorship. It's always a good idea to consult with an immigration expert to get guidance tailored to your specific situation and objectives. To summarize, the main points covered in this video are the importance of understanding the role of a sponsor when applying for a U.S. work visa, the types of visas that require a sponsor, and the unique visas and situations that allow for alternative arrangements. Remember, it's always best to consult with an immigration expert to ensure you're taking the right steps towards your goal of working in the U.S.